Looking for a lightweight AI-powered laptop with insane battery life and modern performance? Today we're checking out the new ASUS Vivobook S14 S3407QA, powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon X processor. This is one of ASUS's newest Copilot Plus PCs, designed for students, office users, creators, and anyone who wants an ultra-portable laptop with all-day battery life and smart AI features. So let's see what makes this laptop special, and whether it's worth buying in 2026. First, let's talk about the design. The Vivobook S14 comes in a sleek cool silver finish with a premium metallic look. It's super thin at just 1.59 centimeters and weighs only 1.35 kilograms, making it perfect for carrying to work, university, or travel. Now the biggest highlight: performance. This laptop is powered by the Snapdragon X X1 processor with 8 cores and Qualcomm's Hexagon NPU, delivering up to 45 TOPS of AI performance. In simple terms, this laptop is built for the future of AI computing. Everyday tasks like web browsing, office work, Zoom calls, streaming, and multitasking feel extremely smooth and responsive. You also get Qualcomm Adreno graphics, which handle casual creative work and media playback efficiently. The laptop includes 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and a fast 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, so app loading and file transfers are very quick. And because this is an ARM-based Snapdragon machine, it runs cool and quiet most of the time. Battery life is another major advantage here. Up to 30.5 hours of battery life with the 70Wh battery, which is honestly impressive for a thin laptop. On the front, you get a beautiful 14-inch 2.5K display with a 16:10 aspect ratio. The resolution is 2560 by 1600, giving you sharp visuals and extra vertical space for productivity. It also covers 100% sRGB color gamut with 400 nits brightness, so colors look vibrant and clear. Whether you're editing photos, watching Netflix, attending meetings, or browsing the web, the display feels premium and comfortable to use. You also get useful features like Windows Hello IR Face Unlock, a physical webcam privacy shutter, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, dual USB for Type-C ports, HDMI 2.1, and USB Type-A connectivity. So overall, port selection is actually very practical. The minimalist design looks clean and modern, and ASUS has included a backlit chiclet keyboard with 1.7mm key travel, which feels comfortable for long typing sessions. You also get a large precision touchpad and a dedicated Copilot key for quick access to AI features in Windows 11.